Hello. Thanks a lot for your love and support, and a big thank you for valuable feedback. Many of you mentioned that ArgoCD installation part was a bit unclear, so we have broken it into ARGOCD. Okay, so first CRD not installed or CRD already installed. In this first scenario, because there is a lot of discussion on set crds.install, which is good, and second skip crds. Okay, and similar here also we use both set crd and skip crds. So I'll try to make you understand these things. If you find anything which is not clear, you can comment it, so we'll make more videos, but things should be clear to you. So I jump into the killer coda. Here is the killer coda where crd is not already installed. So what's the flow? Flow is a little clear. So add Argo Helm repo, add Argo Helm repo. Okay. So Helm repo, add Argo. This is ls, and here is URL, which you don't worry about that. Then update local repo so that you can use updated version. Then generate template if asked. So here what parameter you need. Then create namespace. You can do it here also or here also, but now apply template and then kubectl get pod -o ArgoCD, because this is the namespace we have created, and there you will find if crds already installed, then all pod running. If crds not installed, then pod dependent on that crds application set controller and ArgoCD server. This will not work. Rest of the pod will run. So jump into the killer coda session. So jump into the killer coda session, and now we'll start. So first of all, we'll add Helm repo, add Argo. You should not worry for the link. It would be provided to you, and repo is added. You should have up. Now it's time to update. Update did it, and now create template. So Helm template ArgoCD Argo/ArgoCD hyphen version is 8 point. Oh, sorry, number is locked. Helm template ArgoCD ArgoCD hyphen version 8.0.17. Then namespace ArgoCD set crds dot install equal to false, and I will take it in argo hyphen dot yaml namespace. So here this Helm is the CLI template. Instead of installing, we are creating the template. ArgoCD is the name of the release, can be of any name. This ArgoCD Argo is the repo name. This Argo is a repo name, and this is the chart name ArgoCD. And here is the version, specific version. Here is the namespace, and this set crds false. Sorry, I had wrong FALS false. And redirect, and this is the file. Okay, so it has higher priority. If you will see, I had read in the book that set command has a higher priority. Okay, so now I'll create a namespace because we don't have a namespace created for ArgoCD. Just check kgit ns. So you will not find any namespaces because we have not created it. K create ns cd. So namespace is created. So this step is done. This step is done. Template is done. Namespace is now apply the template. So we'll k apply -f template. K get pod hyphen and ArgoCD. So it is creating ArgoCD. Wait for few seconds. So I'll press L and Control L. Here you find that this is crash blue bug because we have not installed CRDS. Okay, this application set controller and ArgoCD server, and this is the application set controller is not running. So this is the case. where ArgoCD is not running, because means ArgoCD these two pods are not running. Now in second case, if CRDS is installed, all pod running. Okay, so now I'll refresh this and I'll apply all this step with skip CRD option. I'm doing with just copy paste, or you can either see it as a fast forward. Now I'm creating a template, and here, so I'll template argo cd argo hyphen cd, then hyphen version, and that is 8.0.17, and hyphen namespace argo cd, and then hyphen skip crds, and then here you can YAML. So a apply hyphen f, sorry, create namespace nes cd. So k apply hyphen f Helm. So I'll k control L k get pod hyphen and argo cd. We'll wait for few seconds. Look here, all components is running. Okay, so it should not run. So I advise, or I recommend that use that CRDS, set CRDS, so that it can over, because it won't allow you to install that particular thing. And now we have seen this CRD not installed, set CRD install, and set CRDS. And if CRDS is already installed, then we'll use this only. We have set it to false. Now we'll set it to true. And if CRD is already installed, then also if we set it to false, we'll look how. We'll make it false, but CRD already installed. So we'll do the same steps, update, and now we'll include install CRDS only. Now we'll update repo. We'll paste this and then Helm update. And now I will paste this command. Here it is not required, and set crd equal to false. Okay. Now k apply k get ns. Here ArgoCD is already created. If not created, you have to create it. And then k apply argo hyphen template. Let's wait for a few seconds. So look, when CRD is already installed, if you set option is false, set CRD is install option false, then also your pod is all running. So here pod is running. And if I made CRDS install equal to true, then no worries, CRD is installed or not, it will install full flash version. Okay, so use this option in command section. Already straightforward method is given, do follow, and thank you so much for your love and support. If still you are not getting something out of it, please comment.